Hello everyone, today I'm making another video, and then I'll be playing some Minecraft. So yeah, I updated my world a lot. So yeah, let's explore, shall we? See. Yeah. We're currently on top of my house. My house now. And we're mining and got 57 stuffs. Impressive, right? I should have some coal left. I spent it all on torches. I'm gonna go to the bathroom, guys. Be back in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. So yeah, I'm just gonna check my house for any sign of coal. Coal, come back to me. This will be a 20-minute episode. And also you have to have a passport in order to pass a lot of transportation. If you do not have a transport, you can buy it. And I'm afraid you have to get out of the railway station. So, yeah. Okay, so yeah, those are the guest bedrooms. Yes, they are. I think they're bigger than mine. Oh my. Well. Oh, let's leave this place. Liquor storage. No, not there. Not there. Okay, goodbye, house. Okay, let's leave this place. I also have a road to my house now. And I'm also building a theater. So today we're going to be working on the theta. And then it's going to be that big almost. Except there's a little gap right there. Okay. So yeah. And this is my road. Okay. So yeah, this is the road to my lumber mill kind of thing. You turn right, you turn left. And then you jump, 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 jump. a lumber mill, I guess you would say, or basically got cheese. Yeah. As you can see, I clearly cleared this out. This part of the forest is gone. So yeah, we're down here. And that's Logan's mine right there. So yeah, we have 57 iron blocks, which in turn we'll make into something else. 1 iron is $10, so we'll have $570, which is a lot. Oh. Okay. Let me in. Okay, yep, I was trying to clearly share. Okay, let's put, wait, no, then we'll put 14 here. Stuff making. Okay, let's get on this road. I have a lot of guest bedrooms. Some of them could be, I don't know. I guess I could have like my own little hotels here as well, but, yeah. I could, but, sleep tight. Just checking on how our iron's doing, so. Okay, I'll show you to the passport office. Okay. Found those. Let's go. No. Oh, I forgot that part. Oh, darn it. Do I have my card back? Oh, yeah. Good. Oh. This was supposed to be a trap, which I forgot about. Look how if I am. Okay. What's some stats effects now? Oh, yeah. Okay. There we go. Pikachu. Yes, this is just circle over there. Here's the passport office. So, excuse me, sir. Here's my passport. Just let me get it. And then someone would be there to get your passport. See, right there, and then you would. So, well, the point is, and then they pretend to check it, and then if you don't have a passport, you have to buy it. You also have to get this whole thing settled. Of course, if you do your own mine track, have to try to find about it. So, just make sure it has this stuff. Oh no. Yeah. Okay, well, I can accept that. So yeah, that was pretty much the biggest updates I did. Except for the mall, which in that, yeah, I made new roads as well. So yeah, it's this glorious thing. I'm pretty sure this, and I'm pretty sure of that. No, I want this just in case. This is probably gonna take so super long. It's probably gonna take a couple of episodes, not unless I had some helpers. It'd be nice to have some helpers. Wait, we need to check on our iron. I mean, we could make some reeling glue. Whoa. I just had a great idea, Heather. Okay, yeah. Can you handle this? Obviously, good. Potatoes. Yeah, it's some food. You. Wait, we have 64 and 9. Oh, that's explosive. Oh yeah, I remember last time I got some more iron. Yep. Never mind. Okay, bye. Okay, I'm out to find some redstone. I'm out to find some redstone. I'm about to find some redstone. Okay, let's. I'm so tempted to make some armor. Very tempted. Okay, chicken is it all? Alright. Okay. Any redstone, any redstone at all. But no, and no. I said I gave you all my hours. the Irish. Oh, me. No, I do not. Oh, okay, I don't care. Where's some of the carrots? Okay. Okay. Oh, the hotel. No, there's no near it. Darn it. I wonder if the National Trade Post has anything. Yeah, that's the one right there. Redstone, any. Darn it. Okay. Yeah, it's yeah, it looks good. Check. No, not in that chest. Not in that chest either. That's the trash can. And that's where you keep the money. Okay. Where's from here? Darn it, hey. Darn it. Okay, so I know it's not here anywhere. So that means that we have to go mining. Okay. And that will be in the next episode because I hate it. People wait for the next episode. No, I don't want to jump in there. I don't want to jump. Oh. No way. Let's just slide up. Okay, I need redstone. Hey, Elsa, wanna find some redstone? Doesn't have to be redstone. Okay, it was difficult there. Okay. Okay, don't pull out. I don't want to disappoint me. Can I? Okay. That's gonna be the end of this video since it's almost 20 minutes. So yeah, I'd like to thank you all for watching, of course. Thank you for your time.